Hey guys, subscribe for daily content. And if you're shopping for gear, make sure you check out the description for the newest items at some of the very best online retailers. There's also links for some of the items that I personally recommend. Thanks!
What's going on YouTube? Metal Complex here, and today I've got another short little unboxing to share with you guys. This package was sent by the good, the great, the Nick Shabazz. Some more cool stuff that he has loaned me to check out. So thank you very much, Nick. Make sure you guys subscribe. I'm sure you are already. But if you're not, go subscribe to Nick Shabazz. Thanks so much to my generous patrons who are supporting me right now. There's a link for Patreon right down below. And please make sure to follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. Okay, let's find out what we've got in here. There's a couple of things. This is going to make it kind of funny and kind of confusing for some people. So, keep in mind, by the time you guys see this, you're watching it far, far into the past, right? This is far into the past. There he is. That's the logo you want to look for right there. So he sent me a few things here. His Rat 2. Why would I have that? You probably know, right? Because you've probably already seen the upload. A Z Hunter, fantastic. Oh, we have the ProTech. Wait a minute. Oh, that's right. It's assisted. How weird. S35VN. I forgot about that. I was like, Nick, you sent me a busted knife, man. Oh, that's so weird. Weird. Right here. Watch this. That is just very strange. Oh boy. Should we get the Z Hunter out? I know. Why did you get the Z Hunter out? The Z Hunter. Oh gosh. If you haven't seen what I will have made, in my time it will be in the future that I'm making it, but you have already seen it, right? Because of the pre-recording and because of the specific date. And then we have a titanium Spyderco Delica that also was likely used. So there you go. And we've got another one. Oh, this is the small Spartan RZ. Yeah, I've always been curious about this. I love the big one. But this is the first time. Oh, nice. There's a left-handed reverse flick. If you weren't impressed by that, it's because you didn't know how impressive it was. That's the oops. Well, I can't do it, but just I did it the first time. The Spartan Harzy, I guess, is this the mini or the smaller Spartan Harzy folder? Very cool. And then some of Nick's, this is kind of a surreal moment. This is some of Nick's background material, which was likely used. I'm having a weird moment here, guys. It's just a weird, like, out-of-body experience that I'm having with his actual background material and it's 3 of his knives. Oh my gosh. Should we try it out? I gotta go for a test run here. Hang on. What's it like to be Nick Shabazz? Let's give it a go here. Hang on. Right there. Then we need one of these here, and one of these, and maybe we put a sticker right there. Let's bring it in. I think Nick likes to put it something like this. Yeah, there we go. All right. Hey everybody, Nick here, and today we're going to be taking a look at this little guy right here. This is the Spyderco Delica. Oh God, I can't wait. I mean, you guys have already seen it, but Nick's a good sport, man. Make sure you guys subscribe to Nick Shabazz. Make sure you subscribe. Excellent guy. Thanks so much for sending all this stuff in. I know this is there's not a whole lot of info in the unboxing. Anything that's available, I'll link it right down below. But oh man, the accent's in me. It's in me now. I'm going to link this stuff down below, and then you guys will get full comprehensive reviews of the stuff that I have not taken a look at yet, namely these two gents right here, and that's I guess it's the Lurch ProTech, and then the Spartan Harzy, the mini Spartan Harzy. So, Anyways, I think that's going to be pretty much it for today's upload. Please make sure to follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like. If you'd like to check out my other content, I do, of course, have lots of videos of knives that are either expensive or inexpensive that I do or don't like, so check those out. And if you enjoy all my content, go ahead and click on that Metal Complex logo right there and subscribe because there's definitely more coming. Thanks again for watching, everybody, and have a great day.